YouTube, so I just want to quickly show you how to fold the rear seats down. This one, yes, you can pull it and it goes up, but the question is how to fold this down. The other side is pretty easy. Let me show you. All right, so for this side, there's actually a tab right here. I'm trying to see, you can just pull it and it folds down easily, but the other side does not have this tab. So how do you do it? I'm about to show you. So I need to fold the seats down because I'm installing these seat covers right here, and this one is giving me an issue. So what I found out that you need some kind of wrench or tools that you can pull, and it will make sense in a second. So let's start by pulling this tab, pull it, and then push it up. And then slightly goes up. So let's go all the way to the back. All right, now in the back, there is a mechanism right there, and what you're going to want to do is to see if I can do this while recording. See that metal piece right there? You're going to want to hook it. It's kind of hard doing it while recording. All right, so let's see if I can do this while recording, but you want to pretty much pull it up. Once you lock it in, you gotta pull it up. I have it kind of locked in. I'm gonna pull it up, and now, did I get it? No, I did it. There we go. That's it. All right. So this is the mechanism that you want to pull up right there. This will unlock it from that. And to put it back, for some reason this thing slides down and up. I guess just go ahead and put it up right like so. Then I push it against the back. Now we can unlock this one, I think. That's it. And it's nice and secure now. But yeah, just make sure you push it back and it will lock back in its place. I don't know why they made it this way, but I think there's some computer back there, so it's not easy for regular people to access it. But anyways, that's my how-to.